Select the Type tool and type your text. Make each letter a different color. Use the Selection tool to resize and move the text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Go to Object. Ungroup. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select the letters and use the arrow key to move them. Make the letters overlap. Select all the letters. Go to Object. Intertwine. Make a selection around the areas where you want the letters to intertwine. You can use the Selection tool to resize and move the text. And that's how you intertwine letters.